Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain the problems which were given in previous JEE mains examinations. So already we have discussed what is the continuity of a function at a point and at an interval. Based on this exclusively problems on continuity, we are going to discuss various problems which were given in the previous exams. So here it is, one problem is given. Let the function f of x is equal to log of 1 plus 5x to the base c minus log of 1 plus alpha x to the base c whole divided by x if x is not equal to 0. Its value is 10 if x is equal to 0, is continuous at x is equal to 0, then alpha is equal to. Okay, now, so this problem is given. Let us see the solution of this problem. So first it is given that continuous at x is equal to 0. That means if you draw the graph of this function, so it is continuous at x is equal to 0. So here at that point x is equal to 0, the curve is continuous. Okay, now, right. So whenever it are given the curve is continuous at x is equal to a point, means what? Its left hand side derivative, right hand side derivative, and both should be equal. That should be equal to the functional value at x is equal to a. That means what? Limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Understand? So it is given. Continuous means that is the thing. So to limit x tends to 0 f of x, we have to find out left hand side limit and right hand side limit. Actually speaking, left hand side limit, right hand side limit. Observe here when x not equal to 0, that means to the left same function is defined for x greater than 0. That means what? It is x greater than 0 and x less than 0. For both x greater than 0 and x less than 0, the function is defined as same. That's why no need to find out left hand side limit, right hand side limit. Directly we can find out as a limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus 5x minus log of 1 plus alpha x whole divided by x. Understand this? So this is equal to f of 0 is equal to how much? 10. F of 0 is equal to 10. Okay, now as x tends to 0, substitute wherever x is, substitute here 0, log 1 0, alpha into 0 0, this is also log 1. So you will be we will be remained with the 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. Okay, now, so to avoid that, let us find the L hospital rule. Let us go for L hospital rule. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0 log x derivative 1 by x, that is 5 by 1 plus 5x again minus 1 by, so this is equal to how much? So this is equal to 1 plus alpha x, again alpha x derivative alpha. So this is equal to how much? 10. This is equal to 10. Very easy problem. As x value approaches to 0, so wherever x is there, substitute 0. So this is equal to 1. Therefore, this is a 5 minus alpha is equal to 10. Therefore, alpha is equal to how much? Minus 5. Therefore, option D will be the correct answer. See here, such a easy problem was given in the previous JEE mains examination. Continuous at x is equal to 0, therefore we wrote the definition. So no need to find out left hand side derivative, right hand side derivative. Why? Because for x greater than 0 and x less than 0, the function is defined same, the functional is defined as same. So directly we can find out limit x tends to 0. So x is equal to 0, we substituted, we got 0 by 0 form. So we will proceed with the L hospital rule, log x derivative 1 by x, again 5x derivative 5. Log x derivative 1 by x, 1 plus alpha x, alpha x derivative alpha, x derivative by 1. Now substitute x is equal to 0. We will get the answer. 5 minus alpha is equal to 10. That implies alpha is equal to minus 5. Okay, now. So I hope that a very easy problem this is. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. Let f from R2 be a continuous function. It is a continuous function such that f of 3x minus f of x is equal to x, and if f of 8 is equal to 7, then the value of f of 14 is equal to how much? Let us see this problem. So the first thing is given that f from R to R be a continuous function. then immediately we can say that limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a for all a belongs to set of real numbers, domain R. Okay, now? Okay, keep it like that. Now we have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out f of 14 value we have to find out. That means we have to find out f of x value. So if you find out f of x value, after in that we will input in place of x we will substitute 14. Okay, so our aim is to find out f of x. So f of x means what? In which form it is there? Whether it is a linear, quadratic, cubic, or constanta, that we don't know. But from this we can guess, from this function. So this is a f of 3x minus f of x is equal to x. F of 3x minus f of x is equal to x. So here x is a linear. So here x is a linear function. That means what? Degree 1. Degree 1. From this we can say, therefore the difference of course the difference of two quadratic also a linear, the difference of two linear functions is also linear. So that's why let us take f of x is equal to some ax plus b. F of x is equal to ax plus b. Let us take a linear function. So that means a linear minus linear function is also you will get a linear function. Of course quadratic minus linear also we will can get. But let us try to do that. Since here f of x it is a linear, then the output also will be a linear. Okay, now right, let us check. If it is a quadratic, that also you can get. Now let us consider f of x is equal to ax plus b. Now substitute in this equation, what will happen? 3x means what? So this is a 3ax plus b minus f of x means what? Ax plus b is equal to x. Our aim is to find out a value, b value. So that is our target. So plus b minus b will cancel. 3ax minus ax, this is equal to 2ax is equal to x. 2ax is equal to x. So here x coefficient is a 1, here also x coefficient is 2a. Therefore 2a is equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 1 by 2 we got. Okay, 1 by 2 we got. Otherwise you can take x to left hand side, 2a or 2a minus 1 of x. Since x cannot be equal to 0, 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2a value we got. Now how to get a b value? For that one more hint is given, that is equal to f of 8 is equal to 7. F of 8 means what? Already a value is here 1 by 2, a value is 1 by 2, x value is 8 plus b is equal to 7. So 2 1s are 2 4s are, therefore b is equal to 3, b value is 3. So therefore the given function is, required function is f of x is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3. So f of x is equal to a value 1 by 2x plus b value 3. Okay, now we want to find out f of 14. So f of 14 is equal to, substitute 14 here. So if you substitute 14, so here 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 plus 3 10. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So f of 14 is equal to 10. So option B will be the correct answer. So very easy problem this is. So here the whole thing lies in considering f of x is a function ax plus b. So this was asked in, don't you believe that this was asked in 2022 mains. Okay, na? So very easy problem. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. If the function f of x is equal to, when x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0, the function is defined like this. That is log of 1 minus x plus x square plus log of 1 plus x square upon secant x minus cos x. When x is equal to 0, it is defined as some k. Is continuous at x is equal to 0. It is saying that it is continuous at x is equal to 0, then k is equal to. Let us take the solution. So here it is given that first of all it is continuous at x is equal to 0. That means limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. At x is equal to 0, f of 0 value is equal to how much? K. Okay, now. Now let us find out limit extends to f of x means what? Here you have to find out both left hand side limit and right hand side limit. But here the domain is, so here from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, of course except 0. For to the x left and to the x right, the function is defined as same. So therefore there is no left hand side limit, no right hand side limit. So directly find out. So limit x tends to 0. So log of 1 minus x plus x square plus log of 1 plus x square whole divided by secant x minus cos x. This value is equal to k. So the limit of this function value is k. So let us calculate this. So one by one we will proceed like this. Limit x tends to 0. Log a plus log b, log a into b. So this is equal to log of, so I will, for convenient, I will write down 1 plus x square minus x into 1 plus x square plus x whole divided by secant x means what? 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x means 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x means what? Sin square x by cos x. See here, secant x means 1 by cos x. 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x and sin square x by cos x. Let us try to find out this value. So here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus log of course this is a log of 1 plus x square whole square minus x square by. So this is equal to sin square x by x square into x square by cos x, sin square x by, so we will multiply and divide with the x square. See here, limit x tends to 0, sin square x by x square value is equal to 1. As limit x tends to 0, cos 0 value is also 1, that will be cancelled. So ultimately what with what value will remain? Limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x square whole square minus x square. Let us expand this and simplify. Let us continue the solution. Its value is equal to k. Okay. So let us continue the solution. Welcome back. Let us continue the calculation. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0 log of, see expand here, a plus b whole square. So this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus x to the power of 4 minus x square by x square is equal to k. Okay now. So once again, so this value is a limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x 2x square minus x square plus x power 4 by x square is equal to k. Next what shall we do? So if you put x is equal to 0, so we will get log 1 0 by 0 L'Hospital we can do. But if you do L'Hospital rule, one problem is here x square you will get 2x, again you will get 0 by 0 form, again you have to time 2 times you have to do. So instead of doing, so here only you have to use your subject knowledge. Let it be x 1 plus x. What is the expansion of log of 1 plus x? Expansion is there, log of 1 plus expansion. So this is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x4 by 4 plus so on infinity it will go. That is the expansion of 1 plus x. So write the expansion of this. So let us write the expansion of here. Limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x. 1 plus x means what? This is a, so 1 plus x means this, that means first x square plus x power 4 will come minus x square plus x power 4 whole square by 2 plus so on will come divided by x square will come, which is equal to k. So no need of higher powers here, actually no need to write the here x square is there. Let us divide with x square each and every term. So if you divide with x square here, x square will get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square plus something more than x square only you will get, something more than x square more than powers of 2 you will get. So if you substitute limit x tends to 0, these whole values will become 0, there 1 remains, therefore k is equal to 1. k is equal to 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So, very nice problem. This is a not at all a difficult problem. Here 2, after getting here, the students will struck here. The students, their calculation will struck here. 2 options. One is blindly doing L'Hospital rule. If you have a patiently, if you do 2 times, 1 by x, again x square derivative is a 2x, again x to the power of x power 4 coefficient here. So, here L'Hospital rule also I think it may be easy. Let us see here. So, this is a 1 by 1 plus x square plus x power 4 into 1 by 1 plus x square plus x power 4. X square derivative 2x. This is a 2x plus x to the power of 4 derivative 4x cube. 4x cube divided by 2x. Divided by 2x. Okay, very nice, very nice. So, you can take x common outside and you can cancel with this x. 2 also will get cancelled. 2 also will get cancelled. 1 plus 4x square will remain. Denominator 1 plus x square plus x4. After substitution, so with the first differentiation only we will get. No need of second 2 times differentiation. 1 time differentiation only we will get. Okay, easily you can get as a k value is 1. Otherwise, if you know the expansion is also very easy. Okay. So, both the methods you can do. L'Hospital rule also you can do, otherwise you can do like that. Okay. So, I hope that you enjoyed this problem. So, let us move to next problem. Welcome to this problem. If f of x is equal to x plus a, x less than or equal to 0, modulus of x minus 4 if x greater than 0. This is a f of x function. It is defined like that. And a g of x function is also another function is there. It is defined when x less than 0, g of x is equal to x plus 1. If x greater than or equal to 0, if it is 0 and more than 0, and the function is defined as x minus 4 whole square plus b. And it is given that continuous on R. So, it is a continuous on R means what? In R, each and every point the function is continuous. That means what? Here at x is equal to 0, at 0 is also continuous. This function is also continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay now? So, now we are asked to find out g circle f of 2 plus f circle g of 2. So, if you find out the values of f of x and g of x, if you find out the values of f of x and g of x separately, the problem is over. To find f of x and g of x, so we have f of x is equal to x plus a. It is clear. So, f of x is equal to x plus a is given. We have to find out a value. Here g of x is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus b is given. We have to find out b value. Okay now? So, let us calculate those a and b values. So, first we concentrate on f of x. So, let us solve the problem. Since it is a continuous on R, so therefore we have limit extends to 0, limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Okay now. So, for limit extends to 0, if you observe here for x less than 0, the function is defined as x plus a. If x greater than 0, the function is defined as modulus of x minus 4. So, that is why you have to find out both left hand side limit and the right hand side limit. So, let us find out the limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is same as limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Okay now? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x means what? X less than 0. It is given as x plus a. Limit x tends to 0 plus, it is defined as x minus 4. Okay now? So, as x tends to 0 plus, okay, you can convert it into h. You can convert into h, otherwise you can directly you can do. So, this value is a. As x tends to 0, x tends to 0 means what? 0 plus means x greater than 0. Therefore, x minus 4, subtracting minus 4 on both sides. So, we cannot say that it is a greater than 0. We cannot say greater than 0. That is why let us convert this into h. So, limit h tends to 0 modulus of in place of x 0 plus h minus 4. So, this implies limit h tends to 0, this is equal to h minus 4. So, h value as you are approaching, as h value approaching to 0, so h minus 4 value approaches to 4. h minus 4 value approaches to 4. Okay, now, right. So, a is equal to 4 we got. So, a is equal to 4 means what? So, your f of x is equal to how much? X plus 4. So, we got the function f of x is equal to x plus 4. Very clear. Likewise, let us find out g of x. Let us find out the g of x. Same here also, left hand side limit, right hand side limit. So, limit x tends to 0 minus, that is x plus 1. Limit x tends to 0 plus x minus 4 whole square plus b. Okay, now? Now, let us substitute x is equal to 0. Even though you convert into h, the same answer we will get. So, here you will get 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 4 whole square, 16, 16 plus b. Therefore, b is equal to minus 15. b is equal to minus 15. Therefore, g of x is equal to how much? X minus 4 whole square minus 15. G of x is equal to x minus 4 whole square minus 15. So, we know f of x and we know g of x. Let us substitute here and get the solution. Welcome back to remaining problem. See here, this is the remaining problem that we have to find out. So, g circle f of 2 plus f circle g minus 2. Therefore, g of f of 2 plus f of g of minus 2. That is equal to g of f of 2 means what? Function 2 x greater than or equal to 0, x greater than 0. You have to substitute here. That means what? 2 minus 4 minus 2. Modulus of minus 2, 2. G of 2 plus f of g of minus 2. G of minus 2 means what? X less than 0. X less than 0. Here minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. This is minus 1. So, we got g of 2 plus f of minus 1. So, let us find out g of 2 value. G of 2 means g function. 2 greater than or equal to 0. So, in this function you have to substitute. So, here 2. 2 minus 4 whole square. 2 minus 4. So, here I will find out here. 2 minus 4 whole square minus 15. 2 minus 4 how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means 4. 4 minus 15 minus 11. So, up to here we will get here minus 11 plus f of minus 1. f of minus 1 means what? X less than or equal to 0. That means this value you have to substitute. Here minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 how much? This is a 3. So, minus 11 plus 3, this is equal to minus 8. Therefore, option D will be the correct answer. Okay, na? So, very nice problem. This is the only thing lies is finding a value and b value. That's all. So, if you find out a value, b value, the problem will be over. Okay. So, very nice problem. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Welcome to this problem. Let a comma b belongs to R and b not equal to 0. Define a function f of x is equal to, for x less than or equal to 0, the function is defined as a sin of pi by 2 into x minus 1. For x greater than 0, tan 2x minus sin 2x by bx cube. If f is continuous at x is equal to 0, then 10 minus a into b is equal to how much? Now, we have to find out the value of a, b separately or a, b value. Now, let us see that here it is given that f is continuous at x is equal to 0 means what? That means limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is same as limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Okay, now left hand side limit, right hand side limit, both are equal. Limit x tends to 0 minus, what is x less than or equal to 0? Left hand side limit condition, a sin of pi by 2 x minus 1. For x greater than 0, what is the condition? Limit x tends to 0 plus tan 2x minus sin 2x upon bx cube. Okay, now, right. So, as x tends to 0, x value substitute 0 here. So, this is sin 0 minus 1 minus 1, that means minus pi by 2. Sin minus pi by 2 means what? Minus of sin pi by 2 minus 1. So, this value is equal to minus a, put it like that. Coming to right hand side, so this is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. So here tan 2x minus sin 2x, let us take sin 2x common outside. So this is equal to here 1 by cos 2x. So this implies 1 minus cos 2x by cos 2x. So here we can write down cos 2x. Okay now? Right. Otherwise you can take tan 2x common outside. Directly we can take tan 2x if you take common outside. So this will get 1. See here cos 2x will come. Why? Because sin 2x by cos 2x, cos 2x, cos 2x will get can cancel. As x value not approaching 0, you can cancel, no problem. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus tan 2x by 1x. Here 1 by b constant, put it outside. Tan 2x by x cube, no, 1x is there. 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a, 2 sin square x by x square. 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a by 1x square is there. So clearly this value is equal to 2, this value cancels 1. So on the whole this is equal to how much? Minus a, already it is equal to minus a, here minus a is there. Minus a is equal to 4 by b. Minus ab is equal to 4. That means ab is equal to minus 4. ab is equal to minus 4. So 10 minus ab, that means 10 minus of minus 4, that is equal to 14. 14 is the correct answer. 14 is the correct answer. I hope that you understand this solution very easy and you enjoyed today's class with some more problems on exclusive and continuity. So we will come tomorrow's class. I will come before you. Until then, all the best.